All right, third graders, let's go ahead and review our spelling pattern for the week. So let's take a look at our spelling cards. The first card, we see that our pattern of vowel, consonant, vowel, with one single vowel in the middle. In the word lemon, we know that when we divide it after the consonant, this becomes short. Le, lem, on, lem, on. So that is short, and then when we go to the next one, when it's divided after the first vowel, then it's long. So tiger, tiger. All right, so let's go ahead and practice 3 more of our spelling words by pushing up the sounds. Make sure you have your materials ready. Our first word is wagon. What's the word? Wagon. So I'm going to start by pushing up my sounds. W, a, g, a, n, wagon. Now I'm going to bring down my sounds. W. Think what letter makes W? It's W. A. 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 G. G. A. What letter makes A? O. And N. N. What letter makes N? Now if I look and I can see my pattern, I have vowel, consonant, vowel. Now when I say wagon, I know I'm doing the short vowel, so it's wag on, wag on. If I did it after the A, it would be way gone, but it's not, it's wagon. So I say w, a, g, a, n, wagon. Those are my words. Here's in cursive. And again, it's divided after the consonant because it has that short sound. All right, our next word is music. What's the word? Music. I'm going to start by pushing up my sounds. M, U, S, I, K. Music. I'm going to bring down my sounds. What letter makes M? M. My next one, U. What letter makes this U sound? U, because it says its name. S. I know this one is S. I. I is I, and K. And this one, I know it could be, there's a couple letters, but I know it is C. So let's check the pattern. Vowel, consonant, vowel. Now because I know it's music, I'm going to divide it right before the consonant because it gives me that long vowel sound. If I did it after the consonant of S, it would be mus-ick. So when I write it, I say mu-sick. So I divide it before the consonant so that it makes that long vowel sound, and here it is in cursive. Music. He likes to listen to music. All right, and our last word for today is silent. What's the word? Silent. He wanted his little brother to be silent. So S, I, O, E, N, T. Silent. I'm going to bring down my sounds. S. What letter makes S? S, like a snake. Then I hear I. What letter says I? Well, I, when it says its name. Ul. Ul. Letter is L. E. 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 N. N. That letter is N, and T. T. That letter is T. So let's check the pattern. Vowel, consonant, vowel. And I hear sigh, silent. So I know I'm doing it before the consonant to give me that long vowel sound. So when I write it, silent. Here's in cursive, silent. Those are our words for today. Good job, third graders.